Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Mangoes and water apples are in season now. These mangoes are from our garden. So I'm just planning to make pickled mangoes. These water apples are summer treat for us. I'm going to prepare pickled water apple as well. Since the mangoes and water apples are from our garden, these recipes are even more special for us. I have taken 600 grams of raw mangoes and 10 to 12 big water apples. Water apple should be nearly 300 grams. Clean the water apples and dry it completely. We need small size of mangoes to make this pickle. First, I'm making the raw mango pickle. We have to cook these raw mangoes slightly. For that, take water in a pot and boil it nicely. Once the water boils, add in the raw mangoes. Cook it slightly until the mango changes its color. Switch off the flame immediately once the mangoes changes its color. Do not overcook these mangoes. It will take nearly 2 to 3 minutes to cook the mangoes. This should be the color of the mangoes. Keep these mangoes in the strainer and the water will completely drain off. Let's prepare the brine solution now. For that, boil 5 cups of water. For 600 grams of mangoes, I have taken 5 cups of water. Once the water boils, add in 3 tablespoons of salt. Mix it nicely and switch off the flame. Cool the brine solution completely before adding it to the mango. Clean the bottle in hot water and sterilize it and cool it completely. Now add in the mangoes. There shouldn't be any traces of water in the bottle. Add in 3 green chilies. Slit the green chilies slightly like this. You can add more green chili if you want this pickle to be more spicy. Pour in the cooled brine solution. The soaking time for these mangoes will take at least 6 to 7 days. Normally I used to keep these mangoes in room temperature for 2 days and I'll keep this in refrigerator for 4 days. Meanwhile, let's prepare water apple pickle. I have taken nearly 10 to 12 water apples. Place these water apples gently inside the bottle. Add in 3 green chilies. I have slitted these green chilies slightly. For the brine solution, I have taken 5½ cups of water. Once the water boils, add in 3½ tablespoons of salt. Mix it until everything combines well and switch off the flame. Now add in 7 tablespoons of vinegar. Cool this brine solution completely before adding it to the water apple. Add in the cooled brine solution into the water apple. Well, the soaking time differs for the raw mangoes as well as the water apple. Water apple will be ready in 2 days and we have to consume it in 2 days or else this will spoil. The raw mangoes will take 6 to 7 days. I'll show at the end of this video how these pickles has beautifully turned out. We used to make raw mango chammandi with these pickled raw mangoes. I have already shared the recipe of pickled gooseberry, cucumber, carrot and pineapple. I'll leave the recipe link in the description below. Look at it friends, the water apple has changed its color and it's ready to be served now. I have stored these raw mangoes in the refrigerator and it's really delicious. I'll show a slice of mango. Do try this pickled raw mangoes and water apples and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I hope you like this recipe. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.